Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix Spectrum modem and router blinking orange, status light meaning and network fix. First, let's understand why the Spectrum modem and router is blinking orange. A blinking orange or amber light on your Spectrum equipment typically means that a device is attempting to establish a connection but is failing to synchronize with the network, often due to loose cable, firmware update, or local service outage. The status light meanings. Modem front panel online light. This means that the modem is trying to connect to the Spectrum network but cannot establish a stable downstream or upstream internet signal. On modem rear panel Ethernet port. A blinking orange light here is actually normal. It means data is actively moving between your modem and router. If it is solid orange, it means a link is established but at limited speed, typically 100 Mbps instead of 1 Gbps. On router front panel, status/globe light. This means that the router is powered on and broadcasting Wi-Fi, but it is not receiving an internet signal from the modem. First, check for a local Spectrum outage. Open the My Spectrum app on your mobile device using cellular data. Then log into your account on Spectrum support outage page, and if an outage is reported, you must wait until Spectrum technicians resolve it. Fix 2. Restart your modem online. First, sign into your My Spectrum app, and from there select the Services tab and then go to Internet sub-tab. Now choose your modem/router equipment from the list and select Restart Equipment. Then wait for the process to complete. Fix 3. Perform a sequential power cycle. Unplug the power cords from both your Spectrum modem and your Wi-Fi router. Then leave them completely disconnected for at least 60 seconds. Now plug the modem back into the power first and wait for 2 to 3 minutes until the modem's internet/online light stops blinking and turns solid blue or white. Now plug the router back into power and wait 2 minutes for the Wi-Fi signal to stabilize. Fix 4. Inspect and reseat all physical cables. First, the coil shield cable. Ensure the heavy round cable screwed into the back of your modem is tight. Turn it clockwise by hand until it is firmly secure. Next, the Ethernet cable. Unplug the Ethernet cable connecting the modem's yellow port to the router's Internet WAN port. Listen for a distinct click when you push it back into ensure a secure fit. Next, inspect for damage. Check your cables for sharp kinks, cuts, or animal shoe marks. If the cable appears worn, replace it with a new Cat6 Ethernet cable or a fresh coil shield cord. Fix 5. Complete a factory reset via the reset button. Locate the small recessed reset hole on the back of your router or modem. Use a straightened paper clip or a pin to press and hold the button for 30 seconds. Then release the button and wait roughly for around 5 minutes for the device to download the factory settings and complete its boot cycle. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.